Hello and welcome to Blyton Park. It's not exactly an iconic track, I know, but it is home to British Superbike School, and that's the key difference. I'm here for a day to learn how to ride on track, something that will hopefully improve my road riding. That's the theory, but let's see how it all goes. It seems strange to go on track to improve your road riding, but that's exactly what I want from the Superbike School. They offer training for both road and track riders, so you can choose what you want from the day. Either way, you're learning in a safe environment with no other road users or any hazards to complicate things. You can just concentrate on honing your skills. So this is Mike. He's the main man here at the British Superbike School. So Mike, I'm a road rider, not so much a track rider, but I've been here before, I've been on track, and I find that it helps my road riding. Can you tell me why?
Yeah, well the big problem with road riding is when we first started training 10 years ago is cornering. It's just very risky on the road. We had a number of near misses. So the idea is really, particularly on a facility like this, there's no Armco, there's no gravel traps, there's runoff almost everywhere, so it gives you an opportunity to sort of push your limits a bit without putting yourself at risk. And obviously you haven't got lampposts and cars coming out of the way and everything else. So it's just a really good opportunity. But that's the main advantage is cornering, and a lot of people lack confidence, so it's a great opportunity to build up your confidence in a relatively safe environment and get sort of very close coaching as well. We have a maximum of 3 riders per coach, normally 2 if we get enough trainees, so you're getting constant supervision as well and feedback from your coach. So hopefully that seems to work. We get reasonably good feedback, and to be honest, it's quite easy because the first day on a track for anybody, as you know, is totally unforgettable. That's it. Whatever you get out of it, just riding around is good fun.
Yeah. Well, let's see how it goes.
Yeah, okay.
A day's training at the British Superbike School costs £339, with maximum 3 trainees per coach. You get put in a suitable group according to your skills, and those groups can be mixed throughout the day, so you don't have to ride with somebody who's much faster or slower than you. The school also works very closely with Yamaha track experience, so you can hire one of their bikes for the day. There's a bunch of really nice shiny blue Yamahas there. I'm doing the training on a Honda CB1000R, which I figured was the perfect choice, as it's got the Fireblade derived engine for track credibility, but it's still very much a road bike. Now, I'm not much of a track rider, and I was a bit nervous to start with, but after a few laps you start to learn the circuit and you get used to being on track, and you relax and you enjoy the experience. I mean, it's not every day you get to ride as fast as you like through perfectly timed corners. The training is very effective because you get a combination of theory sessions, riding sessions, and feedback from the track coaches. I find the feedback from the coaches particularly useful, as they can pick specific little things about your riding that they have spotted on the track. They suggest you change something, and then you can just go and see if that works for you when you're next on track. Okay, midday now. We've done half the day, or just a little over. We've done 3 of the 5 sessions. We've covered corner exit, cornering, and corner entry. They run them in somewhat back to front order, starting with the corner exit, then coming to the mid corner, and then corner entry. But it does work. I think it sort of makes your mind concentrate on the one thing that's in front of you. and it certainly has made my cornering so much more stable now. I still have 2 sessions to go, so I'm really looking forward to getting back on track. It's incredible how much your confidence grows through the day, and I feel like my cornering is now more stable, more predictable, more enjoyable. So yeah, can't wait to get back for more. As the day progresses, you can really feel your riding improve. It feels like, without even really trying, your cornering technique gets better, you feel safer, and you actually go faster. And the whole thing is really fun too. I'm definitely tempted to go and do some track days after this. And as a road rider, I found quite a few things about track riding a bit surprising. I mean, for one thing, there's much more grip than I realised, and you can brake much harder than I realised. And you can make your cornering much safer and faster by following the coach's instructions. And the whole thing is absolutely exhausting. Not just physically, although 5 20-minute track sessions is a lot to a road rider like me, but mentally too, as there's so many new things to learn and to introduce into your riding. It's great fun, but it's a bit taxing. Well, that's it. The day at the British Superbike School is done. We had 5 sessions, 5 times on track, 5 sort of feedback sessions. Normally you would have 5 classroom sessions, but COVID, we had a video, but that was still good. Really useful day, really useful day. So much work on cornering. It's so easy to just keep going around the same corner again, get it better, and it's just joyous to ride when there's nobody, no tractors coming to get you, no lorries, no pedestrians, no nothing. You can just go around and practice all day. It is knackering, it is absolutely knackering, but great fun. And really useful. I'm surprised how useful this is for road riding. I feel like I've got loads of skills that I can now take with me and use in my road riding. Brilliant. Yeah, highly recommended. I'm going to do this again.